What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are going to be reviewing the largest car that I have ever purchased and reviewed for the channel. Ironically enough, it's the one I'm driving right now. Unfortunately, the 99 Cherokee, my red Jeep that's been in all of my videos, finally died. Had 200 and something thousand miles on it, and unfortunately the motor went on it. So I had to make the decision of either putting $2,000 into a car that is worth about $2,000 or purchasing something new. So I went with the latter and decided to buy a 2022. So I actually don't want to say exactly what it is just yet. I'm just going to give you guys some teasers for the time being. But yeah, I'm actually headed to sell one of my RC cars right now. I just have to ship it out. It's not the one in the box. I do have to review that one still. But I'm selling my WL Toys 104001 as a roller. Just didn't really see any plans for it, so I'm shipping it off to its new owner. I do sell a lot of the RC cars that I review on the channel. I will leave a link down below to my eBay page. You can find some auctions there. Also, just some regular deals that I post online and parts for cars that I 3D print. So definitely check that out down below. So before I tell you exactly what I bought and show you what I bought, I just want to go over why I purchased this car. I was looking at SUVs and stuff like that, maybe some trucks. I don't really see myself as a truck guy. So I kind of went with something in between. But I was looking for something mainly to haul my RC cars around, my golf clubs around, and not have to really throw them in the back seat and get everything dirty. So when I show you what this car actually is, I think you are going to agree with me and see why that I chose this as the ultimate RC car enthusiast vehicle. I also mentioned in a couple of my last videos that my buddy Drive It Ryan and myself are going to be collabing on a lot more videos, and I'm not sure if I'm going to post update videos of this car on his channel or my channel or both, but he's definitely going to be helping me out review this thing a little bit more in depth, maybe do some install videos of different parts and stuff, and who knows, we might even bring it to Lime Rock and drive this thing on the track. So definitely go check out Drive It Ryan's channel if you're looking for more real car reviews, Miata videos, detailing videos, BMW videos. Go check out his channel down below. He's trying to make it a full-time thing, and his videos are great. So don't forget to check those out after this one. So without further ado, I present the all-new 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. So this is it. You're going to be seeing a lot more of this on the channel. I definitely want to show you guys some of the reasons why I think this is a great car for RC enthusiasts, starting with the back truck bed. Even though this is a super tiny truck bed, this isn't really going to be a full car review, but it's about a 4-foot bed. It's kind of a square. Obviously we've got some logos on there. If you haven't seen my last video, I'll show you how to make those. But getting back to the truck part of this is where this thing shines for RC cars. First off, it fits both of my jumps absolutely perfectly. I did not plan this, but ironically enough, it fits like a glove. This is my wood jump. Got my skateboard jumps in there too. We can go around in front here, hit this little button, and we have super bright LEDs back here, starting with the one up top. right, so once we get our jumps out of here, you can see a lot better this truck bed. And this thing is perfect for throwing in your RC cars. You don't even have to clean them off, just throw them back here, get it super dirty, it doesn't matter. This is a nice hard protective coating on it. This is the SEL version with activity package. I made sure to get one with the activity package with this built-in tonneau cover. This thing is a lifesaver, because not only does it protect the back of the truck, but you can go ahead and lock it and you can't get into it. This locks when everything is locked. This thing is protected in here. So it's a really nice feature to just throw things in the back and not have to worry about throwing them in the back of the car to have them be secure. That slides in like that. It's all built in. Again, we got LED lights on both sides. And we also have some little storage compartments, so you can put smaller things in here so they don't rattle around. And the best part about it is if you're out bashing and you need to charge your batteries up, in here we have a nice little outlet, so you can use your Lipo chargers, all that stuff, and it's like you're not even away from the track. The rear bed also has this underneath storage compartment that's really cool. It also doubles as a cooler, so you can fill it full of ice and stuff like that. This goes right down to the outside ground. Really cool feature. This is also locking, so once this is closed and the rear truck bed door is up, this is completely locked. You can't get into it. So if you want to keep that open and shut this, this is completely secure. We got some cup holders here, stuff like that. Super sturdy rear door here. And another cool thing about the tonneau cover is it can hold up to like 250 pounds. So if you really wanted to, for some reason, you could stand on it when it's closed. Doubles as a nice place to take the drone off from. So really cool features. We got some little foot cubbies there to get up in here nice and easy. Yeah, I am really loving it so far. Again, cloth seats. I think only the highest trim come with leather seats if you want it. But a great extra feature in here is, again, more storage. This goes all the way across. On the other side is where they keep the car jack and tools for the wheels. Part of the activity package, you will also get this little rear window, sliding rear window. It is manual, but a cool little feature. I love that, just to get some airflow in the car. You also get a nice sunroof, fully retractable. Got the cover for it as well there. Really nice. I'm really liking that. I will be posting some videos of parts that I'm going to be adding to this and reviews for things. I just got the windows tinted, so we have it matched front and rear. I'm going to be doing a video on how to install these roof rack bars there to put kayaks and stuff like that on there. This is the sage gray version. It's kind of like an olive green, I guess you could call it. But again, 18-inch wheels, all-wheel drive. Moving up to the front of the Santa Cruz, we have full awesome touchscreen infotainment system, digital dash cluster that comes with the activity package. You can go in and change the setup there, so it have different looks in there. Heated seats, which is really nice. Again, the activity package has wireless Qi charging. Just throw your phone in there and it is charging with this little LED light there. We got USB ports to charge up batteries and stuff like that as well. Yeah, when I bought this car, I was just happy to have a working radio. The Jeep was not the best car. It was a 99, but you know, time to upgrade. Up front, we have this really unique LED cluster. This is just like the daylight running lights, and these are the headlights up front. I'm going to be doing an LED mod on those. Unfortunately, it comes with like this off-white halogen bulb. Rear taillights have this kind of cool arrow design. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to show off the new car for the channel. You will be seeing this a lot more, so stick around for that. I hope you guys like it. If you have any suggestions on modifications you want to see done to this thing, if you want to see how it handles off-road, Whatever, let me know. I'll hook up with driver Ryan and we will definitely put this thing to the test. As of right now, it's got 1,000 miles on it. Just brought it to Cape Cod. It fit my golf clubs in the back. Just really loving this thing so far. There are little Easter eggs all around the car. We have the little Santa Cruz logo there with a bunch of little triangles. There's triangles everywhere on this car. Another little Easter egg there. So really cool design. So until the next car review, see you in the next one. Jesus.